Meta shares soared 15% in after-hours trading following a strong fourth-quarter earnings report released the day after CEO Mark Zuckerberg took a beating in a contentious congressional hearing. The company also announced it will pay a 50-cent per share dividend to investors for the first time, and has authorized a $50 billion share buyback program. Overall, Meta reported fourth-quarter revenue of $40.1 billion, beating the predicted $39.18 billion and up 25% year-over-year. The report comes as Meta, like many of its big tech peers, is seeking to integrate artificial intelligence tools into its core products. In a statement accompanying the report, Zuckerberg said Meta has made a lot of progress on our vision for advancing AI and the metaverse. We expect our ambitious long-term AI research and product development efforts will require growing infrastructure investments beyond this year, the company's press release read. In the previous quarter's earnings call, Zuckerberg touted Meta's plans to invest in AI, stating that it would be the company's biggest investment area in 2024. Zuckerberg said in a video shared to Instagram earlier in January that the company would be acquiring $9 billion worth of NVIDIA chips to support its push to scale AI. AI will be used to enhance advertising campaigns and fuel advertising revenue as well as support new Meta products, including AI chatbots, Zuckerberg has said. Revenue from advertising, the company's core business, was $38.7 billion, compared with $31.25 billion for the same time period the prior year. Meta's hardware products like the Quest 3 VR headset have yet to contribute any sizable percentage of the company's revenue. Zuckerberg said on Thursday's call he expects Meta to begin rolling out AI services more widely in coming months. Meta laid off more than 20,000 workers in 2023 as part of what Zuckerberg branded a «year of efficiency», focusing on cost-cutting measures. Those efforts appeared to have paid off, with Meta's operating margin doubling to 41% from 20% in the same quarter of 2022. Meanwhile, expenses decreased 8% year-over-year to $23.73 billion. Chief Financial Officer Susan Li stated on the call that Meta had more than 6,300 employees at the end of quarter 4, down 22% from the same time a year prior but up 2% from quarter 3 after hiring efforts have resumed. Regulatory headwinds are probably top of mind for investors following Meta's public browbeating at a congressional hearing on Wednesday, which was convened to interrogate Zuckerberg and other tech executives over their platform's impact on young users. The CEO offered condolences to parents in the crowd whose children had died after online exploitation. Throughout the hearing, Congress members touted legislation that could strip Meta and other platforms of legal immunity for content posted on its platforms and comes months after Meta was hit with a massive lawsuit by attorneys general of 41 states suing the company over its impact on young users.